Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can use InVideo in your desktop. So let's begin the video. For generating a video here, first you have to create an account and you can see the sign up and login option on the top. I have signed up here with my Google ID. Here you can see that how their website look basically. Here you have to give them any topic or script and they generate a video for you. Here the maximum script limit is 32,000 words. And here they have three models. You can see here V3.0, V2.0 and V1.0. The latest one is V3.0, so I suggest you using that model here. Similarly, here you can create many type of videos. Here you can create the short videos, explanation videos, animation videos and these faceless videos. For creating, you have to go to this dashboard and here you have to write the script or the topic on which you want to make the video. For example, here I have written how to grow on YouTube. Now simply click on generate a video and here you have two options for media. Here you have this generative option and stock media. You can see here two options, and here for generative media you have given 4 minutes length and here you have this visual style and this platform. You have to select all these things, then here you have to submit these 600 characters. In stock media you can also create a similar duration video as compared to the generative media. And here you have to select the audience and the platform and then simply click on continue. And here our video is ready, so let's go and play.
Community and making your channel the best it can be. We're going big on this one, of hustle. But with the right strategies and a whole lot of passion, you can achieve your YouTube dreams. So let's jump right in and unlock those growth secrets. Chapter 3. Listen up, YouTubers.
Here you have seen that how the video has turned out. Here in the InVideo, my favorite feature is Generate, where you can regenerate your video according to a new edited prompt. Here you have some options like here you can mute the voices or you can add different things. And here you can also edit your video. Here you have this media where you can edit the media. Here you can see all the images. You can replace these images with the uploaded media or the stock media or the generative media. Here you have these three options. And here you also have this music where you can also change the music. Here you have many options for the music as well. Now here if I click on the uploaded music, you can see here your music and you can go to the stock music and you can change your music from here. And now here you have this script where you can change the script. Here you can change the text here. Similarly, you can also change the narrator from here. You can see here the voice and you can also change the speed here. Now similarly here in the settings you have many options. Here first you have this overlay. Here you can pick any style and then here you have this transition where you can select a transition for your videos. And here you also have this subtitle where you can select a style for your subtitles as well. And here you also have these stickers and text. You can select here simple stickers and you have this text here. You can pick a style here. Now here you have to go and you have to click on save changes. Now here you can see that they are regenerating the video for us, so here you have to wait for some time. Now here our video is ready, so let's go and play.
YouTube fam, ready to take your channel to the next level? Today we're diving into the top 5 tips to help you grow on YouTube. We're talking.
Now here you can see that they have added a transition, overlay and subtitle as well. You can see that before that there was no such thing. Now here they have applied the changes. Basically InVideo allow a lot of customization as we did here, so you can customize your video according to your own choice. And similarly from here you can go and you can download. Here you can export without the watermark. If you want to export, then you can export that with the watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, then let me teach you how you can do that. Here you have to go and you have to buy the subscription plans. Here you have this free plan, plus plan, max plan and generative plan. You can see their prices and the feature. Here in the free plan you have only 10 minutes per week. In the plus you have 50, in the maximum you have 200 and in the generative you also have 200. Only in the generative plan you have 150 generative credits, and in the plus and maximum you only have 60-second generative credits, and in the free plan you don't have any credits. So if your main focus is generative credit, then you should buy the generative plan, or otherwise you can go with the max or the plus plan. Here in the InVideo you also have many other features. Here you have this home, library, generative, voices, text to clip and photo to clip effects. Here in the media library you can also upload any media from your files from your own desktop. And here you also have this generative pick where you can pick different media. Here the voice is text to clip, text to image, and photo to clip, and text to title clip. These are all the features available in the premium plan. And that was basically all about how you can generate videos from InVideo in your desktop. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.